Namaste. Today we are going to make useful and decorative items with these stones. You can also use these pebbles. For these stones you need not go to any shop. You can get it from any construction site, or when the municipal road is laid you will find these stones. Okay. Now what are the other items you will require? This is a plastic dish to make the container, and plastic lids, a strong glue. These are the colors, these are the fabric colors. Brush, this is optional, and a board. Okay, and finally this plastic sheet to cover this dish. Now we'll see how to do this bowl. We'll cover this container with this plastic sheet. Okay, and then these aside. Just press this cover inside into this bowl. Start pasting these stones. There is no pattern or no design. You can assemble these, and one by one you will start pasting it. Okay. While arranging them only you can paste it, or once you arrange them you can paste it also. It all depends on your convenience. Okay, we'll start pasting it. This is a basic pasting. Once the dish is done we can paste it if some stones are not stick to each other. Depending on the size and the place availability, you will paste the stones. You continue the same way and finish the dish. I pasted all the stones as per this bowl. Okay, and left it for drying for few hours. I've allowed it to dry completely. Now we'll check it out whether it is stick to each other. Okay. This is how it looks. Okay, if you find so many gaps in between the stones, you can fill it with small stones. Okay, this can be used as your fruit bowl or a planter holder. Okay, like this. You can put a planter in this and then leave it on the table. Also, I have made one more shape, this one. using this ball. Okay, so I got this shape. And this also, once I removed from this ball, I found some holes, so I have filled it with these small stones. This also you can use it as plant holder, or you can use it for fruit, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, and here if you want, you can color either of these balls. Okay, I have made some more also. This is one among them. Okay, this I have pasted this onto a diary cover. The front and back cover I have used it, and then pasted the stones and some random design given it here. Okay, this can serve as your table spread, wherein you can put your teacup or kettle or some hot items. Also, I have made one more tea coaster like this and pasted this. These stones are pasted onto a plastic cap. This plastic cap is from this Pringles box. Okay, this can also be used as your teacup holder. Okay, like this. Now if you want, you can paste these stones onto this Pringles box, and then you can cut this whatever size you wanted. You can cut this and then paste it, and this will serve as your pen holder, or also you can use it as flower stand. Okay, and one more I have made. I think you guessed it. I tried to give the shape of a peacock. Okay, used all the colors. Here in this case I have used nail polish, the fabric colors, whatever is available to fill the colors. You can also highlight this board if you want, using some small stones, or if you have, you can paste the beads or the shells, small shells, to highlight the board. And at the back you can put a ring or to hold this onto the wall. Okay, okay. I have also tried something to give a shape of bud. Okay, here I have to paint it, so I did not do it. I'll do it and then put it in a holder. We'll treat this as the holder, and then we'll put it like this. Okay, and also I have made one flower along with the stem. Okay, this I have used the nail polish color, and this one is same nail polish. Okay, if you have the colors, fabric or any other color, you can use it. Okay, and like I told you, you can put it in the holder like this. And you can highlight this one also with the beads or chunkies, whatever you feel, but I did not do anything, and these all are just our imagination. As I always tell you, your imagination is your creativity, and the sky is the limit. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video and liked the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like.